Yeah!
Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5! Yeah! That's awesome!
He's trying to fly.
Yeah!
About time.
Daddy, look, he's going back. Is that the one that you guys put on the camera?
Yeah. How is it? Pick him up. Let's see. Maddie, how was it? Maddie,
What?
how was it? Did you like it? Did you get to see him? How was it, buddy?
Oh, this is nice. Oh my god.
That's how hunts are supposed to happen.
That's nice.
Give me 5.
Yeah!
Give me a hug.
That's a nice bird.
You almost got the thing.
Is he still inflated?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that
That's
rope.
a rope.
Give me 5.
Yeah!
Yo, I need to take a picture and send it to Rob. Man, don't get my phone.
Oh,
Yeah!
Yo, he cannot resist.
No, he came right in.
Yes.
I'm starting to fall asleep too. I fell asleep.
He's got
and...
nunchucks.
Nice. He's a nice bird. He's a big bird. Ooh. He's a nice bird still. Oh,
Yo,
God.
Maddie, get in the picture. Here, bring him.
Bring him over here, or...
No, that's fine. Ready?
Yep.
Sweet. Here, Maddie, step out for a minute. Let's get some. How's it feel
Oh, it's nice.
to shoot your first longbeard?
That's good.
And it's on camera.
Yeah.
Here, hold him right up.
By the legs,
Yep.
or? Oh, you got some sharp spurs.
Yep, just grab right below him. Don't mess with this.
Daddy.
Okay,
At
really?
first I thought he was gonna miss.
Wow, he's heavy.
I thought, yeah.
Hold him up like that, and hang his beard out.
Ah.
Okay.
Here, Maddie. Okay, you hold him up, Maddie. You grab the beard.
Oh,
I can't.
No, other side. Just stand right here.
Oh,
No, like this. No, right up in here.
he's
my
warm.
God.
Let's put him
too.
over with the.
He's warm.
Oh, my God.
What was the other one that was coming in with him?
Oh, was it a Jake or?
I think it's Jake.
Oh. I seen that and I was hoping it wasn't a Jake. I was hoping this one would still come in.
Oh, he was.
He wasn't letting go of that bird. You want me in
Daddy,
or out?
what is
Yeah.
it?
In?
Yup. And.
God, this is a beautiful bird.
Smile.
Daddy. I thought he was gonna miss.
I thought he did miss.
Until
That was a close shot.
Daddy.
Hold
Like,
on, let me get one for
One.
Instagram.
That was a close shot between that decoy.
yeah. It almost, well, only the talkie hit the decoy. It looked
Maddie,
like,
get right in the back. No, down. Get over behind the seat. Yep.
That's a big bird.
The gun made, the bullet made it go like that. But that was like close. Feathers flew all over the piece.
Yeah.
That's a big turkey. Daddy, what kind of turkey is that?
The Tom.
I thought we would never see turkeys until the gobble.
What? Do you got your phone? Is your old man up yet?
It's in the truck.
Oh, okay.
There's the shell. You hear that? Oh, it's geese.
Goose.
Geese. Oh, it's hoping. Looking, they're still gobbling. They're on the other side now. They're gone. Oh. That bird's got some nice color to it.
Yeah. Look.
That was over there. Yeah, I was falling asleep and I woke back up. I looked over and I thought it was a decoy for a second. And I looked and the decoys were here. And I looked back over. The bird's on the ground. He was quiet.
Daddy,
What?
that bird was up close. That's the first bird I ever seen up that close to me. 18 yards.
Oh
And-
my god.
And it was 18 yards. These pictures actually look pretty good. Daddy. So the turkey is right over there.
He was roosted right here.
Yeah, because he was on the other side of this ditch when he came down.
I said that.
Well, let's go pack up.
Go!
Get him, bud. Go get him. Keep looking out. Keep looking out. Quick.
Look at the one that flies.
Pick him up by the leg. Pick him up by the leg. Just pick him up by the legs. He won't bite you. Did you get that on camera?
I think it was the one that was you shooting on,
Well,
yeah.
It's the morning of the youth. So I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Cut.
Well,
Take 94.
well, I was ready. That was going to be it. Well, it's the morning of the youth hunt, and as you can see, Eric's son Cannin scored on this Jake. We had a lot of birds going on this morning. Oh, I wasn't going to say that. Shit. Oops, sorry.
You were gonna say, we
Started out with seven.
seven or 5 kids, and we ended up Morgan was the only one to tough it out.
And boy, did they miss some action.
Yeah.
Boy, did those other guys miss some action.
Yeah, and then I can say.
Okay.
There you go.
There we go. Well, it's the first morning of the youth hunt, and as you can see, Eric's son Cannin scored on this bird. We started out with a couple more kids, but Morgan over here is the only one who stuck it out, and man, they missed some good action today.
Yeah, we started out this morning. We had probably close to a dozen birds gobbling all around us. We had 2 longbeards come in early, but again, with eight people in a setup, we had a little bit of movement, I think, and a couple of those birds left. So we went and got into another setup. Had a gobbler strutting down below us. He went away, and then Ken and I started fighting purr, and then we just started cutting. And we turned that bird around. He came out, and he was about 5 yards behind us, drumming and spitting and gobbling like crazy. So we had Cannin try to get up behind the hay bales that we were sitting in to shoot him in the woods, because the bird wasn't going to come out to the field. But the bird was behind a tree, unfortunately, and took off, and Cannin couldn't get a shot at it. So then we were standing there, and we heard another gobbler gobble. We sat down again, had that one come in, but he just he saw a little bit of movement, I think, from us scattering to get set up. So he left, and then these three jakes came into the field, gobbling. We called them. They were pretty excited and came out in front of us, and they were heading. It looked like they were kind of not going to get any closer than they were. And so I was sitting next to Cannin, I told him go ahead and shoot him, and he made a fantastic shot. What do you want to say, Cannin?
Well, I had a lot of fun this morning, and I'd just like to thank you and Kenny for all the calling you did, even though I messed it up a little bit in the beginning. But yeah, that's about it. I had a lot of fun. Thank you.
Yep, Keystone call, power wedge, and the Sweetie call seemed to do the trick today. So we're happy with that, and we're looking forward to a lot more birds this season.
Cool. Well, thank you guys for participating and helping. Morgan, thank you for coming and sticking it out. So we'll look forward to next year too.
All right.
All right, we got it. Oh.
It's so uncomfortable.
Hey, do a turn it off, then, or stop and record, then sweep around and record those feathers on the ground.
All right.
Hey, Chris.
Let me move these.
Hey.
That was one heck of a shot, though.
You blasted that sucker.
Heard on that thing.